In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PowerPoint presentation to Microsoft Clipchamp. We'll start in Microsoft PowerPoint. Open the presentation you want to turn into a video. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review your slides because whatever appears in the presentation will be included in the exported video. Once your file is open, go to File, then select Export and choose Create a Video. This is the option that converts your slideshow into a video format that Clipchamp can use. Here, choose your preferred video quality, such as Full HD or 4K if that option is available on your system. Higher quality usually looks better, but it can also create a larger file and take longer to export. Next, decide whether you want to use recorded timings and narrations. If you've already added narration or set slide timings in PowerPoint, make sure that setting is enabled so those elements carry over into the video. Then click Create Video. Now choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Save the presentation as either an MP4 or WMV file. MP4 is typically the most convenient option for editing and sharing, so that's usually the best choice when available. After that, wait for PowerPoint to finish exporting. Depending on the size of your presentation, this may take a few moments. Once the export is complete, open Microsoft Clipchamp. You can launch the desktop app or open it in your web browser. If prompted, sign in to your Microsoft account, then click Create a new video to start a fresh project. Inside Clipchamp, click Import Media and select the video file you just exported from PowerPoint. Wait for the upload to finish completely so the file is ready to edit. After the video appears in your media library, drag it from the library and drop it onto the editing timeline. This places your PowerPoint video into the project so you can begin refining it. At this point, you can edit your presentation video in Clipchamp. You can trim unwanted sections, add text, titles, or captions, insert transitions between scenes, add background music or sound effects, record a voiceover, or include images, animations, or stickers. These tools can help make a basic slide presentation feel more polished and engaging without changing the original export process. When you're happy with the result, click Export in the top right corner. Choose your preferred video resolution, then wait for Clipchamp to render the project. Once the export finishes, save the completed video to your computer. And that's how to export a PowerPoint presentation to Microsoft Clipchamp from start to finish.